Renting an apartment in Dubai can be difficult if you don't know how it works. Many people are surprised by things like deposits, agent fee, and extra cost. Dubai is a popular city for professionals, business owners, and families, but the rental process is not always easy. If you understand what to expect, you can save time, money, and stress. So, in this video, I'll explain how renting works in Dubai step by step so you can find the right place to live and avoid costly mistakes. Before we start, my name is Shiraz Wahid, and I've helped hundreds of business owners and their families move to Dubai, set up their business, banking, and residency, and legally reduce their taxes. If you want my help in doing the same, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. First, let's talk about security deposit. When renting an apartment in Dubai, it's standard practice to pay a security deposit equal to 5% of the annual rent for unfurnished apartments and 10% for furnished apartments. This deposit is refundable at the end of the lease period, provided that the apartment is returned in good condition. Keep in mind that landlords can deduct money from your deposit for damages beyond normal wear and tear. Before signing any contract, make sure to inspect the apartment thoroughly and take photos of any existing damage. Brokerage fee are another cost to consider. Many landlords in Dubai works with real estate agents, so you will likely need to pay a brokerage fee. Usually the fee is equivalent to 5% of the annual rent. This fee is paid upfront and is non-refundable. So it's important to factor it into your moving budget. While it might seem like an extra expense, working with a reputable broker can help you find the right apartment faster and negotiate better renting terms. In addition to deposit and broker fee, there are other hidden costs to watch out for. For example, you will need to pay a fee to Dubai Electric and Water Authority, that's called DEWA, to set up your utilities. This typically includes a refundable security deposit of around 2000 dirhams for an apartment and a small connection fee. You will also need to register your tenancy contract with the Real Estate and Regulatory Authority, that's RERA, and that is done through the Ejari system. This registration is mandatory and costs approximately 220 dirhams. Failing to register for your lease can lead to legal issues and difficulties resolving the disputes. Moving expenses are another factor to consider. Hiring professional movers, purchasing a new furniture, or simply buying household essentials can add up quickly. Some apartment buildings may also charge move in or move out fee to cover administrative costs, elevator usage, and other services. It's wise to ask your landlord or building management about any such fee before signing your lease. When it comes to paying rent, Dubai traditionally follow a system of post-dated checks where you provide the landlord with several checks. Those checks cover the entire year's rent. Some landlords may accept one check for the entire year, while others might accept quarterly or even monthly payments. It's important to clarify the payment terms upfront and ensure that you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the checks on the due dates. Bouncing a rent check in Dubai is a serious offense and can lead to legal consequences. Tenants should also be aware of the rules regarding the rent increase. Dubai's rent cap law regulates how much landlords can increase the rent each year, based on the rental index published by the RERA authority. Generally, the rent increase are allowed only if the current rent is significantly below the market average. If your landlord proposes a rent hike, check the RERA calculator to see if the increase is legal. Understanding your rights and responsibilities as a tenant is crucial. Dubai's rental laws provide protection for both landlords and tenants, ensuring fair treatment and dispute resolution. For example, landlords cannot evict tenants without proper notice or valid reason. If you face any issues, you can file a complaint with the Dubai Rental Dispute and Settlement Center. Knowing these rights will help you feel more secure and confident in your rental journey. One often overlooked cost is maintenance. While landlords are responsible for major repairs, tenants typically handle minor maintenance, such as fixing a leaky faucet or replacing the light bulbs. Some landlords may try to pass additional maintenance costs to the tenants, so it's essential to clarify responsibilities in your lease agreement. It's also a good idea to budget for your home insurance. Although it's not mandatory, having a policy that covers your belongings can give you peace of mind in case of fire, theft, or unforeseen events. Insurance is relatively affordable and worth considering, especially in a new environment. When choosing an apartment, consider the amenities and services available in the building. Many modern developments in Dubai offer gyms, swimming pools, security, and parking facilities. These amenities can enhance your lifestyle but also come with higher service charges, which are usually covered by the landlord. However, in some cases, tenants might be asked to contribute to certain fee, so to be sure to ask during your negotiation. So renting an apartment in Dubai involves more than just finding the right place. You will need to factor in security deposit, brokerage fee, hidden costs, and understanding your rights as a tenant. By preparing in advance, asking the right questions, and seeking professional guidance, you can avoid surprises and enjoy a smooth rental experience. And if you would like my help in settling down in Dubai and set up your business, banking, and residency, you can book a strategy call with me at setuphero.com/call. Together, we can build a plan that suits your needs and your business goals. And if you're serious about building life and business in Dubai, you should really check out my next video right here.